Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to create a bar chart in a dashboard. First, let's see what a bar chart is. A bar chart is a chart that plots different categories of data with horizontal bars. The length of each bar represents the value of its category. These charts are used to showcase the distribution of data points over different categories and compare the category values. For example, in this dashboard we are using this bar chart to analyze the deals won versus deals lost by different owners. These charts are useful for comparing data that varies widely between categories. Let's see how to create a bar chart in a dashboard. This real estate management dashboard helps real estate company admins monitor different key metrics about the company. I am going to recreate this advertised versus sold bar chart. First, I drag a bar chart from the toolbox into the design panel. You can resize the widget as needed. Under the Properties tab, I add the widget title and description. In the Assign Data tab, you will see the available columns from the connected data source. A bar chart requires a minimum of one value element and one column element. Here, both advertised and sold properties need to be aggregated. To achieve this, bind the Properties Advertised and Properties Sold columns under the Values section and use the Sum aggregation function. Then, I bind the Agent Name Dimension column under the Columns section and apply sorting to it. I select the Field option in the Sort By section and use the Agent ID column and Sum function to sort the chart. I select Ascending as the sorting order. Now we can see that the advertised versus sold properties by agent data has been rendered in the chart. The bar chart is complete. Next, we will go through the properties supported by the bar chart, which are listed under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option is selected. It can be cleared if needed. You can also switch chart types here as required. You can also apply formatting to show color variation in each data category. Let's take a look at some of the best practices for using a bar chart. Start the value axis at 0 to visualize data differences clearly in the chart. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order when it is not time dependent. Also, use horizontal labels to improve the readability of the chart. Let's see some dashboard examples that use a bar chart. In this policy claim analysis dashboard, we have used this bar chart to represent the average number of days to settle a claim for different insurance types. In this team management in Agile dashboard, we have used this bar chart to compare the planned and utilized work hours by resource. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning about what a bar chart is, its use cases, how to add it to a dashboard, and some best practices for using it. Please leave a comment with any question you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.